no secret that curly hair requires a bit more elbow grease to get the perfect style. Curls can be high maintenance, so it might take some time to find the best routine to care for your curls. If you haven't yet found that perfect curly hair routine to get you the soft, bouncy, voluminous curls you desire, we got you, girl. Here's an easy 5-step curly hair routine that's adaptable to your hair and sure to give you gorgeous results. Are all microfiber towels the same? No, there is a difference between quality cleansing pads and non-quality products. This can depend on a variety of factors, such as the types of microfiber towels, the quality of the microfiber itself, GSM, and more. When you buy a microfiber towel, a regular conditioner is for detangling, moisturizing, and softening your hair after cleansing with shampoo, but it only works on the surface of the strands. A deep conditioner is for a longer-lasting treatment that restores, repairs, and rebuilds your strands from the inside out. So if you've got dry and damaged hair, you should definitely be using a deep conditioner as part of your hair routine. Even if your curls are healthy, it's always nice to give them a little extra love. If your strands are separating like straws, and you have frizz flying left, right, and center, it's time to go deeper. The thick consistency of the deep conditioner is designed to give you a long-lasting effect by penetrating deep into the hair shaft. Look for ingredients like coconut, olive, argan, and baobab oils, whose fatty acids nourish curls, smoothing, and hydrating hair. This means a soft sheen on the surface and hydrated lashes within the strand. You can leave a deep conditioner in your hair for anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, the longer the better. Turn up the heat to boost absorption by putting on a shower cap while the ingredients work their magic on curls. No, we're not talking about those dry, crunchy gels that make your hair look like it hopped right out of 2003. And we're definitely not here for any gels loaded with alcohol. But zapping frizz, adding moisture, and pumping up the shine factor? Oh, that just sounds like curl heaven. Gels are best used on wavy to curly hair, types 2 and 3, that doesn't have moisture deficiencies, explains hairstylist Andre Walker, who works with Oprah Winfrey, Halle Berry, and Michelle Obama. Creams add moisture, but not all gels do. This is the easiest way to dry curly hair naturally and is a method used by those who want to spend as little time as possible styling their hair. After shampooing and conditioning your curls, squeeze the water out of your hair with your hands, then apply your favorite styling product. Next, use a microfiber towel or t-shirt to remove excess moisture from your hair and then let it air dry. Once your hair is completely dry, smooth out the curls with your fingers. Styling is wrapping your hair in a microfiber t-shirt or towel to absorb excess water from your hair. After shampooing, conditioning, and applying styling product, gently press excess moisture out of your hair with a microfiber towel or t-shirt. We recommend applying styling cream to soaking wet hair. Remember, wetter is better. Apply some product in your hands and rub them together. Evenly distribute the cream through your curls by finger combing through the ends, adding a little more to dense areas for ultimate conditioning. Scrunch upwards and squeeze curls for definition. You should hear a squishy sound. If you don't, add more water. If you're looking for elongation, glide downwards using the prayer hands method.